Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, 10th of May. Today I'm going to Leicester, Nottingham, and Derby. So this is the from my hotel lobby, hostel. So I'm in fifth floor of my hostel. See the beautiful view, early morning view. It is like 6:15 now in London, East London. This is the kitchen. This is the fridge. So we can keep all our groceries or kitchen items or food items in the fridge. So this is a microwave. So for our use, this is a soap liquid to wash used cups or plates or used cutlery. So this is a toaster. So for bread, and this is one more. So this is one more sink, and these are all knives, spoons, so everything. So these are all cutlery. So these are all different cabinets. So we can use to place our food stuff, noodles, cereals, everything. So it is an excellent facility they have given. So this is the table. So we can sit here and we can eat. So these are the stoves. So different stoves we can use, and this is table, benches. So normally I sit here and drink tea in the morning. So these are all fridge. So excellent. We have also kettle. That was kettle to heat water and to drink. So it is 8:15 a.m. Saturday, 10th of May. I am leaving my hostel. So I have a train at 9:15 a.m. To go to Leicester from King's Cross, St. Pancras. So I have to take a train, maybe like District or Hammersmith and City Line, and then I have to go to. So I have only 1 hour time. So, but I can go there and I will have breakfast in a St. Pancras station, close to my platform. So as usual, every day I am taking this tube or metro from underground station. This is Aldgate East, maybe 500 meters from my hostel. So I am taking same train from here, Aldgate East station. So yeah, I will reach I think St. Pancras maybe within 15-20 minutes, because this station is very close to all important stations in central London. So that is the beauty of Aldgate East station. So I have to take this westbound platform. You can see I am at Aldgate East. So Liverpool Street, Moorgate, Barbican, Farrington and King's Cross, St. Pancras. So I have to take that train. Train is in 5 minutes. So that is eastbound. So now I am going to westbound. So I have to take this third train. You can see first train, now it is going to Wimbledon via Victoria. Second train, Richmond via Victoria, both district line. The third train I have to take, that is Hammersmith via King's Cross in 4 minutes. So that train I have to take. I am in Aldgate East tube stop or metro stop in London, East London. The train is coming, Hammersmith and City Line. So it will take me to King's Cross, St. Pancras. So this is going to Hammersmith, final stop. I have to get down at King's Cross at St. Pancras. So from there I have to take a train to Leicester at 9:16 a.m. So I have already booked like 1 month in advance. So I have to take only that train. I can't use the ticket in any other train because it advances down at next station. That is King's Cross, St. Pancras. You can see. So it's 2 stations. King's Cross is international trains. We can take Eurostar to Paris and Brussels. So another is St. Pancras. So this is King's Cross, St. Pancras station. So I have to take National Rail from train to Leicester from National Rail. So I have to check the platform, time, train number, everything. Then only I have to move to the platform. So I have almost like 30 minutes. See all the lines, Northern Line, Piccadilly Line, Victoria Line, right side. And I have to go King's Cross, St. Pancras International, National Rail. So I have to take these steps to go to National Rail. National Rail because it's going to Leicester out of London. So So it is called National Rail. You can see there are two stations here. One is St. Pancras International and is one King's Cross. So I am going to Leicester. This station goes to Paris, Brussels, Sheffield, Nottingham, Derby, Luton, Gatwick. So I am going to Leicester. I have to take St. Pancras International. So this side goes to Edinburgh, Newcastle, Leeds, York, towards Scotland. This is ticketing area. So we can buy tickets on our own using these machines. No need to go to tickets assistant. So I have to take St. Pancras International. So that is right side. See the beautiful station. Excellent. So we should always come early because it's very long station. So we need time to locate our train. See all the shops here. So we can also check trains. So my train is 9:16, Peterborough, Thameslink B. So yeah, you can see all the trains, the Bladesmiths, all the big shops. You can see the canopy or the roof over the station. It is excellent. So I have to take left. All trains take left. Toilets left. Tickets and platforms left. So arrivals right. Out straight. So this is St. Pancras International. You can see M&S food. Heard that M&S is excellent as far as food is concerned in UK. Very quality food. So you can see my train 9th. So I will check after going there. So you can see a lot of passengers might be going to different cities in UK or maybe going out of UK. So National Rail Straight. This is excellent. St. Pancras International Station. See the people. So they're all looking very professional. So I can see platform A and B, Thameslink, I have to go straight. So platform 11 and 13, straight. National Rail Ticket Office, straight. So it's a clear message display, clear messages or name boards, digital as well as. So this is close to platform A and B, 11 and 13. So this is Thameslink, I have to take B. So I use these gates to enter into the platform B. Is going to Bedford, Luton Airport, Luton Cambridge. So customer executive said northbound. You can see customer executive said I can take any train until Hitchin. So I am here. I have to go to Hitchin. From Hitchin there is a bus service because there is a maintenance activity during the weekend. So from Hitchin I have to take a bus to go to Luton, and from Luton I have to go to Leicester. So a couple of trains. So this is the B platform. So I have a train at Cambridge train. So which goes to Hitchin. I can either take Cambridge train or I can take Peterborough train. This is one train going to West Hampstead. So this is not my train. This is also Thameslink, but it will not go to Hitchin. So I can take this train. I have a ticket at 9:16, but I asked the executive, like support staff, they said I can take this train because they are both belong to Thameslink. So I will take this train and I will get down at Hitchin. So you know only 2 stops from here because this is express. This is the train going to Cambridge. I have to go get down at Hitchin. So just 2 stops. This is the first stop for this train. It is Finsbury Park. So there used to be a very big mosque here, a bit controversial. So but this is one, and we can take underground from here. This is Stevenage, second stop. So my stop is third, next one. Hitchin. So my classmate agriculture classmate, my same batch, 90 batch, D section. So he is coming to Ichin. So he lives in Bedford. So he is calling me from yesterday to come to visit your home. So I said it's fine. So he is coming to Ichin and I will go to his home by 6 stop.
61016. Wheel sorted.
This is Ichin station. You can see it is close to Stevenage. So this train is going to Cambridge, but I have to get down here. Actually, so this is Ichin. So this train is going to Cambridge. Actually, I wanted to, as per the plan, I want to take a bus. There is a bus service from here to Luton. Again, from Luton to Leicester is a train. But as my friend said, he will come and pick me up to go to his home. I will visit home and he will drop me at either Ichin or at Luton. So then after that, so now looks like I have to buy a new ticket from Luton to Leicester because I have a fixed ticket. It is not an open ticket. But I will see. I will request the staff that I got delayed. So I will see what happens after meeting him. After going, this is a bus replacement service from Ichin to Luton. So Luton Airport Parkway, Luton Airport, Luton. Okay, thank you. Okay, so these are all rail replacement services. So, but I am waiting for my friend. He is 10 minutes away. So he is coming to Ichin. This is Ichin station. Beautiful, small, but it looks excellent.